G'day, friends! Welcome to our sunny orchard!
Let us learn some fruit names today.
Look at this! This is an apple! Can you say it? Apple!
I found a long, yellow banana. Repeat after me, banana!
These are grapes. They are small and sweet. Let's say it together. Grapes.
Here is a juicy orange. Orange! Great job, everyone!
Yum! This is a strawberry. Strawberry! Can you spell it?
This spiky one is a pineapple.
Pineapple. It looks just like me, Spiky. Do you know this one? It is a mango.
Mango, my favorite snack.
Look at the size of this watermelon! Say it loud! Watermelon!
Last ones. Here is a pear and some cherries.
Pear and cherry. You are all fruit experts now.
Time for a quick review. I remember this one. That is an apple. A-P-P-P-L-E. Apple.
Next is the banana. It starts with the letter B.
1, 2, 3. So many purple grapes.
Check the grapes off the list.
An orange is round and bright. Orange, just like the sunset.
Don't forget the strawberry. It is small, red, and very sweet.
Careful, the pineapple is prickly.
Ooh, spiky pineapple.
Behold, the tropical mango. Can you say mango?
This heavy one is a watermelon.
It is green on the outside. We have found so many fruits today.
Let's play a game to remember them.
Let's play. Dax, what fruit is this?
That is an apple. And this long yellow one?
I know. It is a banana.
What about these small purple ones?
Those are grapes. Yummy.
This fruit has the same name as its color.
It is an orange.
Is this a cherry or a strawberry? It has seeds on the outside, so it is a strawberry.
Look at me! I am the king of the pineapple. Can you say pineapple?
This one is soft and sweet. It is a mango. M-A-N-G.
This watermelon is way too heavy.
Careful! Big green watermelon coming through.
Here is a pear for you, Robby.
And a cherry for you, Pip.
You all did a wonderful job learning today.
We love fruits and we love English.
Now, let's make a giant fruit salad.
I will add the strawberries and cherries first.
Here come the bananas.
Got 'em! This will be delicious.
Add the sweet mango slices. And the purple grapes, too.
The watermelon is the best part. It is so big and green.
Don't forget the pineapple.
And the pear makes it perfect.
Let's review our fruits one last time while I stir. Apple, banana, grape, orange, strawberry.
Pineapple, mango, watermelon. And pear and cherry.
Is it good, Pip?
It is the most delicious English lesson ever.
You learned 10 new words today.
We are so proud of you.
Goodbye for now, friends.
Keep practicing your fruit names.